standing here with Jason from Austin, Texas. This is Doug Rucker at their Humble school we just had for difference maker school, pressure washing, and roof cleaning. And just, Jason, I want to get your thoughts on the weekend and how you think everything is going to help you.
Well, Difference Maker's a great name of your school because we've been in business for about 2 years. We think we know what we're doing. And you really made a difference, for me at least, in helping us to understand a little bit more about how to deal with our customers. The protection was a huge thing for us, and even pricing. And I've been to plenty of schools before where everybody's kind of secretive about everything, and this wasn't that way. This was a better run school where everybody shared their experiences and even down to pricing and how to handle that better for your business.
Awesome. Is there any one thing or one or two things that may have just kind of stuck out that you're going to go back and maybe implement immediately?
Better plant and pet protection, for sure.
Perfect. That's my favorite thing to hear. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate it.
It was awesome. It was a good opportunity for me to come and learn more. I've been in business for about 2.5, almost 3 years, and you're starting, obviously you want to keep learning more and more, but this was just awesome. My biggest takeaway was honestly the property protection, just how to go about it, because a lot of the times you don't really think about that stuff. You just kind of want to get in there and kind of clean, but you don't think about the other aspects. So that was definitely something that I'll always remember and going to implement.
A lot of little things you got to look for to protect that could end up costing you money if you didn't. Great. Awesome. So glad you came. Appreciate it.
You,
that type of thing. All right.
Absolutely helped me. I'm a brand new startup. I had no idea what I was doing, and I'm going to leave here with a lot of confidence. And I was a little leery at first, worried it was just going to be a bag of golden goodies, but I'm really impressed.
So when you say get bag of golden goodies, just kind of a place you went to that they were just kind of try to sell you all types of products, which we didn't try to do, correct?
Absolutely. Yes.
And so the main thing was teaching you guys cleaning techniques and how to protect property and things of that nature. So you really feel it's going to make a huge difference in your business as you get started.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. I appreciate you coming out.
It
All
helped me tremendously. Like I said, I had my business started already, but y'all just put the icing on the cake with y'all's knowledge and years of experience that I didn't actually know of, and so it really helped out tremendously. And I'm ready to get back on some roofs and start cleaning. So,
is there like one thing that you think is like a big takeaway or a big aha moment that you had that you're going to go back and implement pretty immediate?
Well, I think I gained more information to tell the customers on how to sell the job and how to price the job. So I think that'll benefit me humongously on just furthering my company. So
awesome.
yeah.
Thanks, Dave.
Thank
Appreciate you coming out.
Bro.